In this video, I'm going to explain Aristarchus' heliocentric theory. But do me a favor, don't use this against your teacher, because they probably taught you that Copernicus was the first heliocentrist. That's not true. Aristarchus came up with heliocentrism more than 200 years before Copernicus. Hi, I'm here with my channel. In this channel, I try to make science understandable and interesting. And one way I do that is by making simple analogies. And today's video is no exception. Imagine you row on a boat in the middle of the ocean, and you see another boat in the distance. As it gets closer, you notice something strange. The nearby stars seem to be moving. They appear to be coming towards you. But it's really the boat that's moving. You're just seeing things from a different perspective. This is similar to what Aristarchus proposed about the Earth and the Sun. He said the Earth is rotating on its axis, which makes it seem like the sky is rotating. This would explain why the stars appear to move in the sky. So Aristarchus made some pretty accurate observations. He noticed that the full moon and the half moon are almost the same size. And if you know a little bit about geometry, you can figure out that the Earth must be a sphere. If it were flat, then the ratio between the full moon and the half moon would not always be the same. He also noticed that during a lunar eclipse, the shadow cast on the moon is always curved. So he figured the Earth must be a sphere. But not everyone was convinced. The heliocentric theory was actually quite controversial at the time. Most people believed that everything revolved around the Earth because that's how it appears. It seems like the sky rotates around us. But Aristarchus had a different perspective. He imagined himself on a boat in the middle of the ocean again, and he realized that the stars aren't really moving. It's just his perspective that's changing. So he concluded that the Earth must be rotating. It's amazing to think that Aristarchus came up with this idea so long ago, but sadly his work was largely forgotten until Copernicus rediscovered it. Aristarchus was born around 310 BC and died around 230 BC. He was born in Samos, Greece, but later moved to Alexandria, Egypt, where he taught astronomy. Unfortunately, not much is known about his life. But his work has had a lasting impact on our understanding of the universe. If you want to learn more about heliocentrism, I recommend checking out the video I did on Copernicus. Thanks for watching.